Demolition Derby 2.
Why not this?
Groups.
Hey, why not this?
Alright,
What about this flower?
okay, I like no.
You said you were gonna do 4 farthest wins until you get a new competitor.
Yeah, but don't announce any new competitors. This is gonna take a while. Just get this over with. Yeah. That's Team Colors teams. Alright, Salty, Easter Percy. Well, Salty, Thomas, Easter Percy. My main competitor, Easter Percy, and Transfer. Okay, I'm gonna say.
Whenever the final happens, I'll come out, okay?
I'm gonna say Wing Drax will win. No, wait.
What?
He actually won. I was right. Somehow. Alright, Wolverine, Spencer, Diego, and W.
Hopefully Spencer wins.
Oh, no. Okay, I want W King to win this one.
I want Spencer to do it.
And,
Spencer is.
well,
Spencer. I know these two.
the center of the bed is like right here. Yeah, it's Spencer won. Unfortunately.
I don't think Big Ray will win, honestly.
I'm
Unless we make it. Let's see.
Well,
Spider-Man, I think, won, actually. Well, we know he lost.
And we know Rocky lost, so.
Wait, keep them where they are? I can tell right now. Okay, let's see. No, look, center's right here.
So, yeah, Spider-Man won.
Yeah. Alright, Spider-Man 1. Whatever WFW 200, we definitely should check that out. Alright, this is the final. Team Colors, James, Wing, Draxter, Spencer, and Spider-Man. And let's give our guesses before we start. Before we get this final go.
I think either Spencer
I think Spider-Man
or
actually wins.
Spider.
Yeah, I think Spider-Man 2. 3,
2, 1, go.
2, 1.
We're right. I think we're right.
Wait.
I think it's right here.
Wait. No, that's Spencer. That's Spencer.
No, it's not.
I mean, not Spencer. Spider-Man.
Yeah, this is Spider-Man.
There we go.
There we go.
Got our winner.
Alright, Spider-Man demolishes the most.